All right, just a quick example on how we do similar triangles in kind of a word problem situation. We're essentially going to try to get two triangles that we can show are similar and then just solve our proportion like we have been. So this is a girl is 160 centimeters tall, stands 360 centimeters from a lamppost. So we have a lamppost that looks something like this, gives off light. So we have a girl that is standing 360 centimeters from this lamppost. Now, the light is going to shine down at some angle, and then it's going to produce a shadow on the ground. So here will be her shadow on the ground. And we know that that light will continue and eventually hit the ground, right? Theoretically, at the end of the shadow, we'll make her head bigger or something like that. So we know the shadow is 90 centimeters tall, and then we know she is 160 centimeters tall. So what you have here is you have two triangles. You can see the first one. The first one is this little triangle here. If I look at the dimensions of that little triangle, we know her height is 160 and the shadow is 90. And then we have this bigger triangle, which is kind of this whole triangle here. And that is what we're trying to figure out. We are trying to figure out this side of that triangle. And then we know the bottom, we have 360 and 90, so this bottom is actually 450 centimeters. So you can see the 90 side is going to correspond to the 450, and then the X side is going to correspond to the 160. So you can do it lots of ways, but I think I will write my proportion as 160 over X equals 90 over 450. So again, lots of ways to do it. You could match up triangle with triangle, small, small, big, big, whatever you'd like to do. But once I have my proportion, I'll just solve it. So I'll multiply X times 90 is obviously 90X. 160 times 450 is going to be 72,000. And then I'll simply divide out by 90. So if I divide out by 90, I am going to get 800 centimeters. 800 centimeters is going to be the height of this lamppost.